Rumors spreading round United Texas town about the shack outside the game.
Hi, my name is Mike Blackburn. This is my 1978 Volkswagen Westfalia. It's a pop-top camper. It's got a sink, a stove, a fridge, and it's a 1978. I've had it since 1991, and it's one of my favorite things I have. I love it.
I'm racing.
My name is Harold Backus, and I own a 1937 Ooze Ford. It has a 2000 Corvette LS1 with a 4L60E transmission and a 9-inch board.
But now I might be mistaken.
Hi, Steve Short here. I go through about 75 car shows a year, and let me tell you, this is the best car show I go to because everybody's so friendly here and it's so well organized, and I just love coming here.